A couple of weeks ago, I got some Target beauty boxes, and I haven't filmed them, so I'll do it right now. The first one has this Dove exfoliating body polish with crushed macadamia and rice milk. It's worth a shot. Then, this Biotin and Collagen Shampoo by OGX. A Mineral 89 Booster by Vinci Laboratories. Nexus Humectress Hydrating Mask for your hair. Oh, a Tiger Moisturizing Mask. Sheet mask. I've never tried a sheet mask. If anybody's used this, please let me know if it works. Myers Clean Day Body Wash. And Melting Pout by CoverGirl.